Hello guys, and welcome back to another interesting video. All right, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and share this video with your technician friends. All right, let's get right into the video. A customer brought this phone to me, and he said that the phone goes dead. The phone does not turn on anymore. Okay, now let's troubleshoot the phone and let's see how we can be able to help this customer. All right, now the first thing is to take the reading of the battery. Okay, and it's giving 3.9, which is a very good reading for a battery. Okay, that's very good. All right, what next are we to check? Let's try power on the phone first, and let's see if the phone is going to power on with this amount of voltage in the battery, or the phone is not going to power on, just to confirm what the customer said. Okay, and the phone is not powering on. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, let's go straight into the troubleshooting. If you're interested in our online class, please make sure you DM us on the numbers on the screen. We can help you to upgrade your phone repair skills. Okay, we are reliable. Our online training are very good for you. Okay, now we need to put our multimeter on diode mode. All right, putting your multimeter on diode mode help you to take data readings, data values of the component on the PCBs. Okay, if you don't understand what I mean, please join our online training and you would understand. Now, the VBAT line is reading short to ground. Whenever you see that reading on the multimeter, shows that the VBAT line is short to the ground. For those that are conversant with our YouTube channel and our videos, they would understand what I'm just saying, and most of our online students would also understand this. Now, the next thing is to do physical inspection and see if there is burns, corrosion, water damage, and all that. Okay. Now, after that, you need to continue the troubleshooting with your multimeter. So I'm going to continue right now. I'm taking measurements on the capacitors, on some components. Capacitor included, right? And these are reading properly. Now let me take reading of this capacitor right here, and this capacitor is reading short to ground as one. This one is fine. Okay, so we are going to be taking readings of the components on the PCB. All right, so we have one capacitor that is bad right in front here. Okay, now let's flip the board and take more readings on the components on the back side. All right, now this is the power IC section. As you all know, that's the power IC section. So you're going to be taking readings on the power IC section. If you're interested in our online class and you don't understand all what I'm doing right in this video, please make sure you register in our online training, and we are going to train you on how to take readings on the mobile PC and deep secrets on mobile phone repair. All right, everything has a trick, so we're going to tell you all the tricks we use in troubleshooting. All right, now this is another short on the capacitor. It's another short right here, and if you can see properly, you will see that if you check properly, you will see that we have several shorted components on this mobile PCB. I'm taking my time to take readings and take measurements. Most people watch this live on my YouTube channel because I troubleshooted this phone live on my YouTube channel. So people who watch this saw how everything happened live. Okay, so now this is how to troubleshoot a dead phone. Okay, you need to learn how to use your multimeter. It is very important. Now I'm reading this diodes as well, and the diodes are also shorting to ground. So we have almost like 6-7 multiple components that are shorting to ground. When some technician gets to this point on the mobile PCB, they get confused or what next to do. Okay, so that's why we are here, for you, to educate you. Okay, so what are we going to do next? Now let's go into what to do next. Now we are going to do what we call injection of voltage. Look at the DC power supply. Is consuming the whole amps, 4.2 volt 3 amps set on the DC power supply, and it is consuming the whole 3 amps. That means that is a sign of a full short, and as you can see, we've read that with the multimeter, and that's very important for you. If you want to learn more about this DC power supply reading, please come to our online training and we're going to train you. Pay close attention at the thermal camera. For For those that want to see how thermal camera shows you the problem on the phone, this is a typical example of it. All right, so now pay close attention. You see those red spots right on that screen where I'm pointing out right here? That is where the problem is on the phone, and I'm going to show you right on this PCB right now. So this is where the thermal camera is pointing our attention to, and it's telling us that there's a problem on that area, and the problem is a component is eating up, and which is not a good sign. All right, so now to confirm which of the components is eating up, although the thermal camera is telling us is the capacitor, but just to be sure, you need to confirm with Rosin flux. That's why you also need a Rosin flux as a technician, okay, to always confirm, you know, your discovery, all right, or your troubleshooting. So now I'm applying the Rosin flux. If you want to learn how to apply Rosin flux, the trick to apply Rosin flux, we have a video on our YouTube channel. Please check our videos and check the list of our videos, and you will see the video that will guide you on how to apply Rosin flux effectively. Okay, now I'm done applying the Rosin flux on the area the thermal camera is pointing my attention to. Now I'm going to inject voltage right on the VBAT line, okay, to confirm. And now the capacitor has melted, which is a very good confirmation that the capacitor is really very bad. All right, guys, the capacitor is really bad. Now when you discover a capacitor is bad, what is the next thing to do? All right, the next thing to do is to replace the capacitor. Okay, we've discovered is bad. We need to take it out. After we take it out, we're going to take a measurement on that capacitor if it's really bad, or we still need to troubleshoot further. All right, the capacitor is out right now. I'm getting my multimeter, taking readings with my multimeter, and I want you to pay close attention on the readings on this capacitor. This will give you a clue when you are doing your own troubleshooting as well. It is very important that you pay close attention. Now look at the reading on the multimeter. 0.003 or 0.002. That's a sign of a bad capacitor. Okay, so now the next thing is to replace that bad capacitor. It's always important that when you discover a shorted component and you remove it, it is very important that you replace it with a good one. All right, so it makes the PCB to work properly. All right, now let's take another reading of the VBAT line, and the short is gone. This is a very easy way you can troubleshoot any dead phone. Okay, if you still want to know more about this DC power supply reading, charger meter reading, you know how to inject voltage, please join our online training. Our numbers are displayed right on the screen. Please contact us, Mojike, and we're going to train you. We're going to give you good information and educate you on how to be a better technician. All right, and this training is not just for beginners, it's for people who are in the line of work, and even for professionals. You can also apply for online training. There are a lot of secrets that you need to know as well. All right, so, and it's really affordable for anyone from any country. All right, now as you can see, the phone is responding and the phone is powering on. Give a thumbs up, like this video, comment in the comment section below, and make sure you subscribe to this channel. Turn on the notification bell icon for future updates, and we are going to see you in the next video. Peace.